Ever pondered over the various types of real estate investment? Today, we'll delve into one of them: flipping properties. It's a strategy of buying low, improving, and selling high, like a makeover for houses. Now that we know what flipping is, let's dive deeper into its pros and cons. Flipping properties can be a goldmine or a landmine depending on various factors. On one side of the coin, the potential for quick profits and a canvas for your creativity can be alluring. You buy low, renovate, and sell high. It's a simple concept, but execution can be complex. On the flip side, the pitfalls are real. Unexpected costs can creep up, market volatility can sway your profits, and the effort required can be immense. Flipping properties can be rewarding or risky, but knowing how to calculate costs can make a huge difference. Calculating costs and understanding your market are vital in flipping properties. Accurate estimation of repair costs, property taxes, and other expenses can be the difference between a profitable flip and a financial flop. It's not just about the numbers, though. Understanding local real estate trends and your target market's needs are equally important. Are you offering what buyers in your area want? Cost calculation and market knowledge are crucial, but market conditions and liquidity can also make or break your flipping venture. Your flipping success can hinge on market conditions, liquidity, and even the type of construction material. Strong market conditions can bolster your selling price, while stagnant or declining markets may see your profits shrink. Liquidity, or how quickly you can sell your property, also plays a crucial role. And don't forget about construction material. Choosing high-quality, cost-effective materials can mean the difference between a profitable flip and a financial flop. All these factors can significantly impact whether your flipping investment turns out to be a boon or a bust. Flipping properties is a complex yet fascinating real estate investment model. We've dissected its pros and cons, costs, market knowledge, market conditions, liquidity, and construction materials. Next time, we'll delve into another exciting real estate investment model: Airbnb. Stay tuned.